Guys, today we're going to take a look at this Ryobi D620H 5/8 inch heavy duty hammer drill that we will be testing out on a brick wall. First off, we have a white switch at the top that allows you to select the drilling or hammer mode. We have the chuck and its max size is 13 millimeters. We also have an auxiliary or second handle here which will help you achieve maximum downward force when pushing into concrete or stone. And this is the main handle. Both handles are rubberized to help you get a good firm grip. And this gray dial here is the variable speed dial. The small button here is the lock button. We're just going to take a few minutes to set this up with the chuck key. And once you're done with the chuck key, remember to return it to the chuck key strap so you don't lose it. And just a quick note that this hammer drill is corded, so we will need to plug it in to an electrical outlet to power it on. And here we have already pre-measured and marked off 4 holes that we will be drilling holes into. The auxiliary handle easily allows us to apply extra force. The hammer drill with its high torque has a maximum rotational speed of 2700 RPMs. Although we're demonstrating here that the hammer drill can easily drill through brick, you can also switch out of the hammered mode, and with the proper drill bits, you can also drill through thick woods, plastics, and steel up to 1/2 inches in thickness.